Students, Mr. D-Man back. Here we go to start working on object B. I need to create a new template, feet and inches. And we need to start by getting rid of Yahoo. And we're gonna be starting this B, object B. And again, I hope you went split screen. You got the slideshow over on this half and SketchUp over on this half. You know that our objects are 3 by 3 by 3 because it says that right on the sheet or the slideshow. So that means it's 3 wide, 3 deep, and then 3 high. With part B, we're going to do a little bit of, again, addition and subtraction. So let's go ahead and get started. We need to begin with our rectangle tool, starting on this corner. And it needs to be 3 by 3. So again, down here on your screen is where the dimensions are. Then I'm going to hit enter. It's small. Don't get all whipped up. We're going to just go here to extends. Let me get rid of that to zoom ends. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and start out by orbiting this a little bit. Then I'm going to change and zoom that down. So I start up high on my screen, pull straight down. Now I'm going to pan that object. So pan is that command. And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to go ahead and pull that first section up. So this is again similar to what we did on part A. So we're going to raise that 1 inch. And now we're going to begin mapping out the other sections we need to do. So I'm going to orbit this a little bit because I like to draw on this top surface. So by tilting it a little this way, it helps me out. And I'm going to go ahead, take my rectangle tool. And I know we've got a lot of things to do with this part. I know that there is a portion of it in this corner that rises up, a portion in this corner that rises up. Then there's a portion in between those that rises up even higher. And then there'll be a section approximately right here that we have to push out of our project. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a 1 by 1 square. Okay. Now I hope you can see. Then we'd want to start here and we're going to draw another 1 by 1 square. And then right here will be our last one, 1 by 1. And those are the 3 sections in the back that are going to rise up. And some of them will be at different levels than others. Now we also need to have a square here that's going to get cut out of it or pushed out of it. So I'm going to start here, start dragging, and this is going to be 1, 1, and enter. And now we can kind of see what things have to happen. So here we're going to go with the push-pull tool right there. I am going to start out by pushing this section. We're going to push that down 1 inch. And now that's gone. I can orbit that to show you that that section is indeed now taken out. Okay. Then go back here to my push-pull. And one of the things I've learned from using this is that you want to pull the highest portion up first. So that would be this section here. And we want to raise that up 2 inches. So I'm going to type in 2 and enter. Come on. There we go. Now the other 2 corners need to come up. So I'll do this one. This has to come up 1 and enter. And then this one needs to come up 1 and enter. Now we just have to erase some lines here. So we'll go over, grab our eraser tool, click on this line, and then this line. I'm going to just try and move this a little bit so that it's going to be positioned on my screen a little bit better. And that'll be just fine right there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my mug here. And we need to save. And I'm going to be naming mine a different title than yours. You are going to enter Object B. And then I need to have mine be Object BB. And go ahead and make sure that goes in your DM Google SketchUp folder. And that takes care of the first couple of pieces. Good job. Good job. Now, remember, you need to put a screenshot of this on your slideshow. All right.